Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once we finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. All we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the headlight, and we're going to make sure we first align it to this section of the lens first. So in order to help it align and tack down more faster, we're going to apply tack solution on the edge of the film. Make sure you keep it aligned to the headlight. Once you have it aligned, spray tack solution on top, hold it in position, and grab your squeegee and start tacking it down to secure it. Make sure when you're tacking it down, you also help remove any solution that's trapped behind the film. And before we move on to the next section, make sure that everything's tacked down and secured. If you're having a little trouble tacking it down, you can also apply heat around the area that was tacked down. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. So apply tack solution and then apply heat, and then that will help the adhesive activate faster. And then once this is secured, continue on with the rest of the film. So once we finish securing this section of the headlight, now we need to make sure we focus on stretching the film and aligning it to this section of the headlight. If you're having trouble stretching it, it could be because the slip solution dried up. So make sure to apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film, and we recommend holding the film in position here, and with your other hand stretching it. That way the film doesn't get misaligned. So make sure you have this in place and stretch the film that way. So hold it, stretch it, keep it aligned. And then this part will stretch it downward. So we're going to secure this middle section first. So just apply tack solution underneath the film. Since we already pre-stretched the film, it should be a little bit easier to stretch again and tack down. So stretch it again, keep everything aligned, and we're going to secure this middle piece first. So apply tack solution on top, start tacking down the film, and the same process that we did here to help the adhesive activate faster around this area, we're going to apply heat. But first we're just going to help it tack down as much as possible before applying heat. So apply tack solution and apply heat. And now that this part is secured, just finish off stretching the film to the top section here. And then slowly, little by little, help it tack down. Make sure this stays down, that way the alignment of the tint stays where it's supposed to be. And hold it in position for a bit, that way the tint stays positioned to the headlight here. And something you can do to help it tack down faster on this edge is applying tack solution, stretch it, hold it in position, and apply tack solution on top. And just use your squeegee to start tacking it down. That way the film stays on this edge, and we help remove any fingers that are around this area here. And then same process, apply heat to help the adhesive activate faster, and then we'll work away in this middle section again. But make sure to keep this down. And hold it in position for a bit. So just making sure you're securing this side first because of this curved design that the headlight has. And once this is secured, focus on this area. That way we're able to remove these fingers. So it should end up looking like this. And now all we need to do is work on the fingers that are in this section here. We'll make sure this is on the edge. And now we'll have less fingers to worry about on this area. Now in order to remove these fingers, we're going to first make sure this section of the tint stays aligned to this edge of the headlight. So we're going to need to stretch it downward to help remove these fingers. And once we stretch it downward, help it tack down and secure it. So as you can see, when we stretch down, the fingers disappear little by little. And once this section is secured, then we can apply a little bit of heat with tack solution to remove these small fingers, and it should be much easier. So apply tack solution on top and bottom where you see those fingers. Hold the film, stretch it down to reach the edge. Make sure you hold it in position and then start applying heat while holding the film down. And this will help shrink the fingers. That way it's easier to squeegee them and tack them down. Slowly tack down each of the fingers. And also what a trick that you can do to help remove the fingers is apply tack solution. Wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee. Make sure you're still holding it. And then tack it down with your squeegee at an angle. And then do the same for the top section as well. So once you finish with the installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire tint. So just apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun, apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help it tack down and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with the process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.